Last night was a party. This morning, a disaster. In this video, I'll show you how I turned a trashed backyard and a filthy pool into a summer-ready paradise, one with almost no effort. Stick around. Last night was loud music, lights, a backyard full of people, and lots of dancing by the pool. It was fun until I woke up this morning and saw the aftermath. Trash everywhere, plastic cups strewn about, scraps of food, confetti on the lawn by the pool. It was a nightmare. So I started my usual routine, cleaning, sweeping confetti out of the bushes, collecting chairs from random corners of the yard. I even found the gnome that had been decorating my backyard for years. It wasn't in the best shape. Okay, I've dealt with worse. I started cleaning piece by piece into the trash bag, meter by meter, plate by plate. My house was cleaned. The vacuum cleaner started working, and for a moment I thought I could see the end of the cleaning. But just when I thought I had it all under control and could handle all this mess, I glanced at the pool. From a distance, it looked fine, but up close, not so much. Leaves, dirt, bits of napkin on the bottom, confetti, and that penguin or peacock or flamingo, I don't know. It turned out the pool had suffered just as much as the rest of the yard, and with summer approaching, it was time to get it all in order. Luckily, but I had something ready to do it. Last week, I received the delivery of this package and was waiting for the right moment to open it, and now that moment has come because there is a serious cleaning of the pool ahead. You might remember when I tested the original Aiper Scuba X1 and how impressed I was. That robot made pool cleaning effortless, and now Aiper has taken everything to the next level. Meet the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. This thing doesn't just clean, it transforms the way you care for your pool. With 8,500 GPH suction and a 9-motor engine, it's easily the most powerful robot I've ever used. It scrubs the floor, climbs the walls, glides along the waterline, and even handles tricky slopes and raised platforms like a pro. The moment I turned it on, I realized I was watching something smarter than your average cleaner. OmniSense Plus Trademark 2.0, with 40 sensors, maps the pool precisely, and with FlexiPath Trademark 2.0, it doesn't just wander, it plans. One full charge gives you up to 10 hours of cordless operation in surface mode. That's enough time to clean, relax, and maybe even take a nap. It's also the first cleaner I've used where I actually noticed the difference in water clarity. The micro mesh trademark filter traps every tiny bit of debris. No floaties, no film. Just that satisfying wow moment when you look into crystal clear water. And if you upgrade to Hydrocom Pro, the robot becomes your personal pool expert, testing pH, temperature, and even reporting live from under the surface. And right now is the best time to get one. From June 10th to 30th, it's Aiper Day, the brand's biggest celebration of the year, a harmonious blend of robots, nature, and humans brought together with one goal: to help everyone own the pool and own the summer. You can save up to $1,000 during this event. So if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max, bring vacation home. And just like that, the chaos was gone. The backyard didn't look like a war zone anymore. The cups, the confetti, the flamingo, and all sorted. Even the gnome looked a little less traumatized. I grabbed a cold drink, collapsed into a chair, and just listened. No music, no voices, just birds, breeze, and that distant hum of summer waking up. It was hard to believe just hours ago this place looked like the aftermath of a music festival. And honestly, I don't regret the party, but I do appreciate the silence that follows it. The water sparkled, the grass was almost dry, the smell of barbecue still lingered somewhere in the air. Or maybe it was just my neighbors teasing me. I took a sip and thought, maybe I'll actually swim tomorrow, or maybe I'll just sit here again doing absolutely nothing, and after last night, that feels like a win. Pool's clean, party's over, summer's just getting started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and charge your robot.